slap the shit out of her. That's my child. I'm gonna slap the shit out of her anytime you get disrespectful. I mean.
On December 21st, 2023, officers responded to a domestic disturbance. Call that quickly revealed a troubling family conflict. A visibly upset woman, holding her young child, reported that her own mother had struck her during an argument over money. Officers observed bruises and scratches consistent with her statement. The suspect later admitted to slapping her daughter in front of her grandson and was subsequently arrested based on both evidence and witness testimony.
Not gonna fucking deal with.
Are you her mom?
Yeah, I'm her mom, and this generation is fucked up.
Okay.
She don't stay with me. Not supposed to fucking be here.
Talk to me. Let's go talk over here.
The only one that get me called a disturbance out here.
All right. So what's going on, mom?
Ain't nothing going on. I'm telling her. Okay, she was supposed to be trying to be here until public housing hit her up on fucking Stony Brook or some shit.
You guys
they
got
told
into
her
verbal
that's it. That's it. But she's too disrespectful. So I'm telling her to find her ass a shelter or something when she go to work or don't go to work. Whether she go to work or don't go to work today, she need to find her ass somewhere else to go. Because I done went to jail behind her. She ain't got nowhere to go. But you got a flip ass mouth and a fucking child out here in this cold and this rain. I'm sitting up here talking to you, telling you about what the fuck is due, trying to have a grown folk conversation. But as soon as I say one or two words you don't like, it's all this attitude and, oh, now you want to come out the mouth, fuck you and bitch. So I slap the shit out of her. That's my child. I'm going to slap the shit out of her anytime you get disrespectful. I mean, she grown. She 25. She should be her own shit.
When did you hit her today?
I damn right I slapped her today. I sure did. And she throw oil on me, broke my motherfucking plan in there. I slapped her ass for calling me a whole disrespecting me and all the shit she doing because I'm telling her to get the fuck out. Okay. And you're telling me what the fuck you're finna do and you ain't finna move. Get the fuck out. You don't even live here.
I'm
trying to help you out. No.
I got you.
But I give you my whole life. I need number. I know about her.
I appreciate you being cooperative.
Just like I told that man, that baby, when there's a child in my generation fucked up and ain't gonna get no better because these little badass motherfucking kids ain't raised up in no church nowhere. They don't know shit about responsibility. That's a one bedroom, and I got a one bedroom on purpose. So I wouldn't let nobody motherfucker stay with me. I ain't got no room for nobody.
I got you.
Don't even want a bitch staying with me. And she gonna have to find her somewhere else to go today. She definitely gonna have to find somewhere else. Oh, why are we upstairs?
They're just gonna go talk to who? I guess is her. Who's up there? Is there anyone up there? Ma'am.
Her kids, yeah.
Her
kid's dad.
Okay. Yeah, they're just gonna check on him. That's all. So this was all started over the child, correct?
No, just for me telling her take some time. Whether it's your lunch break or whatever, call the people, see what you gotta do to get on the waiting list. Call them. Oh, I already know, and I pay somebody to do child. Bitch, I got bills that do around here. So how the fuck you want to pay somebody else when you barely even got money to help me? But you voluntarily want to pay somebody else when I'm not even charging you and I'm not even asking you or saying I had a problem with the baby. But bitch, you need to get some shit started because I'm not finna be no built-in motherfucking babysitter every day, all day. I got shit to do on my own.
I got you. Let's get out of the road.
Like she asking me today if I'm finna sit up here and be here all day so she can do an order for groceries. No, I'm not finna sit here all day waiting for your fucking order of groceries. I got shit to handle.
I got you.
I barely want to take your baby with me to go handle my motherfucking business. But since you going to work, bitch, I guess I'll deal with it. And you're not paying me for that. So every time a bitch is going out, they wait for the show hard or kindness towards a bitch. You want to give the ass a kiss? So now while it's cold in between raining and whatever fucking storm comes, that bitch better find her somewhere else to go. She can't be here tonight.
So you said you hit her? You slapped her?
She got to go. She got to go.
So you said you slapped her, right?
I did slap her.
So, okay,
I did.
Explain that to me.
But because she's sitting there, that started cussing me, calling me bitches and whores and shit, and I slapped her. I'm the parent. I'm helping you out. And like I just told that other officer.
It was in a disciplinary.
Of course, she's my child. I just told that officer that's standing with her, I will beat her ass in front of y'all if she disrespect me again.
You got to be careful with that, though.
I understand that, but that's the part of me don't give a fuck. Because that's my child brother laid down and had you.
I got you. I understand.
We be on our deathbed to have these fucking kids.
I understand.
And then to come up and then a bitch going out their way to help you, you ain't even supposed to fucking be here.
Okay. Where'd you hit her?
In her face. I slapped her. A polite slap. Why she talking about politely saying fuck you?
Yeah, she said you weren't. She said you weren't being too aggressive with her. So
no, but I slapped her. I'm telling you, I fucking slapped her.
Well, I appreciate your honesty. Okay, we're gonna figure this out, and then we'll.
That's why my fucking nails is broken.
And then your nails. I like your nails, by the way, for what it's worth.
And then I'm trying to help her because time's so fucking hard, bro. This is not the time for families to be going against each other. But how much am I supposed to fucking take, bro?
I got you.
And it's like these kids ain't gonna grow until you let their asses go, bro. I'm not finna suck up and deal with this shit. And the reason why she more fucked up like that because I didn't raise her. I was with a nigga that ended up on drugs and DCF got involved and they got into custody with their dad parents, bro. You were raised by your grandmama with one number fucking crackheads over there, so you get that fucked up ass attitude from that fucking dope house. And then it doesn't pay for anybody to raise your fucking kids. When you get them back, you got to rearrange shit. Some shit she supposed to be known since she was a teenager, but you full grown.
I got you.
If I raised you, you wouldn't be this fucked up.
I got you.
But you want to blame me for it. It wasn't my fucking fault. So if you want to blame me for it, then go to your grave with it because I'm tired of crying about the shit. I'm tired of fucking explaining it. I wasn't in the fucking wrong.
You crying and everything, that shows that you actually care, okay?
Man, it hurts me because every time I get my kids around me, bro, it's like shit that I'm just basic shit. I'm trying to explain to her. My mom taught me young. You 25.
When did you? So you said she was raised with the grandma. So when did you?
On her dad's side.
Okay, and when did you get her?
Were
you always in her life? Or?
I was always in her life. I always spoiled the little bitch too, doing too much of a little bit, doing more than a little bit. Always.
I got you. All right, you want to hang out with this officer real quick, and then I'm gonna go see what's going on.
And then this is a disturbance. I need to see what's going on about this motherfucking apartment complex. Like I'm gonna have to. I'm not
worried about them right now. Like, let's try to figure out one thing at a time, okay?
Because the bitch trying to help you out until what? They told you to wait until the second week of February so you can get your own fucking place. And you're gonna cause me motherfucking problems while I'm trying to help you until you get your shit. Right.
I got you. I'm gonna go see what's going on, okay? You stay right here. Take some deep breaths. Try to relax, okay?
Is this your daughter with the little ones? I was here a couple months ago in reference to the whole plant issue.
Visiting. I'm always trying to help you out. The first time you came because grandma, the lights was off. Then you came again because the water was off. Now you came this time because grandma died 3 years ago and they just lost the fucking house. But you always come and fuck you and bitch and I'm not going out my way to help no disrespectful ass child.
I know that you were doing it because of your grandbaby, right?
Come on.
Yeah,
and then you're pregnant again.
How old's the little one now?
He just turned 1. Then she in there tearing up my shit, wanted to throw my bamboo plant. You're trying to tell my phone. Why is you trying to tell me shit and get me kicked out with your bullshit when, you so miserable, you just love misery. I'm not miserable. I'm not even stressed out. I'm stressed out from your stress. You're dropping your fucking weight on me, but she can't come back. She can't come back today. Not at all.
Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do.
Not at all.
Alright, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, you're not under arrest. I'm just gonna read you your Miranda rights. Alright, so we can talk to you further about this, okay? So what actually happened. So I'm required to warn you before you make any statement that you have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions, your own free will. Any statement can and will be used against you in the court of law. You understand each of these rights that I've explained to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
You get off work, 7-something. I'm still with the baby.
At then night all or in the morning?
Night and day.
Night and day. Okay. All right.
So then she gets up this morning, the baby is working. Of course, you're getting ready for work. Okay, fine. And then you just started working at Macy's. Congratulations. You usually normally keep a job, okay? I normally don't charge and pay anything. So the only thing I ask you to pay $50. Help put on a light bill or something.
Okay.
Help for the toilet paper, the paper towels. I ain't asked for no real fucking money.
So is that what the conversation was over
this morning it was just basically from the baby being in there, and I'm still kind of sleepy because I've been up with him all night. He don't go to sleep like that. I had to turn off TV lights for him to go to bed.
Okay.
But he's still moving around. And then by the time she's getting up for work and he see her, he miss mommy. That's mommy. Yeah. So she went in the bathroom, closed the door to the light, and he got up. So I'm about ready to see when she's finished, ready to go ahead and make him a ball and I continue the day on with him. Mm-hmm. But I came out the mouth of them letting her know, Car, sooner or later, make the phone call so you can get him a child care. You have to get him a child care because I have other shit to do. Yeah. Then she came, when she got out there, when I said that, she was going in the closet, I guess, to get a towel, and then going to the bathroom, on your way to the bathroom, for me saying 1 or 2 words that you don't fucking like, which was just call to see how to get the child care going because they say they help more when you're working. Yeah. You'll get better, faster assistance when you're working. Yep. You just started working. Call. I got attitude from that.
Okay.
going to the bathroom, we get inside, and I say, excuse me, what you say, Carl? You don't say that. So now I got to use the restroom, and I'm getting up, and I'm like, Carl, I'm not trying to make an argument or whatever. She already done put on her little gospel music on the phone for me. I'm just trying to get ready for work. I talk to you about all that. Ain't got no talk when you want to talk. We have to get this understood.
You're trying to get
I'm trying to talk to you as an adult.
Yeah.
You don't get off until after 7. I might be here. I might not be here.
So at this point, then, she became verbally aggressive.
That's all, as usual, as you always with the extra hugs in her throat. Okay. And then I'm like, well, Carl, you don't have to do all that when I'm trying to talk to her. You just miserable, or you just this and that. Then you want to go to cussing and shit. Then fuck you, or respectfully fuck you, or bitch this. And then you want to pick up my fucking plant. You see my shit scattered out on the ground? Okay, that's when she gets slapped. So you want to call me a hoe, a bitch, and you dropping it 10 up my shit around.
So she was throwing your plants around.
She brought my bamboo plant and it was in the glass vase. Yes. And she threw a pot at me with the fucking grease and oil, and I just wiped all the grease. I don't know if you noticed. In between, I done slapped her from the plant. I done slapped her from grabbing the grease. Every time she picked up my shit in my house and broke it, I got my whole vacuum in there that's dented on. Every time she's upset about something, you think you can tell my shit.
So it got physical multiple times, right?
I slapped her twice.
And then how'd she get the mark on her back?
I don't know, from my baby daddy trying to get her to calm her down, and when he had her probably to the kitchen sink, and all she doing is study rushing at me, throwing pots and shit. Okay. When she grabbed the pot, he got grease on him. Grease was on the floor. I just took the towels and wiped it. I know that floor is still nasty as fuck. The plants down there. Yes, I slapped her ass up twice. You tearing up my shit in here. I'm the parent. I don't care less about this generation with they fucked up mood swings. I'm not gonna deal with it.
I got you.
They disrespectful as fuck. And the best way to let these little motherfuckers grow is to let their asses go. You want to be grown? Go out there and feel it. So if y'all have transportation for her to go somewhere, I want her ass to leave now. And if I need me a restraining order or something to keep her ass from coming back, or a temporary one, anything, because I'm not going to be dealing with this shit, bro.
I got you.
You jeopardizing my motherfucking place to stay. You jeopardizing my fucking freedom because of me slapping.
The biggest thing is that this happened the last time.
Give me a paper real quick.
All right.
Right.
This happened the last time that she was here.
Right.
Okay? And when I actually spoke with you about not letting her back in because this is an ongoing issue, and she was leaving.
Okay, but why am I getting arrested for slapping her?
You're under arrest for domestic battery.
But why would it be for domestic if I'm slapping her for throwing my shit around in my house?
You can't go and put your hands on her, especially now she's an adult.
She's pregnant too, man.
You can't be going and hitting her just because she goes.
Okay, well, go and talk to her and tell her that she don't want to press no charges of having me arrested.
It doesn't. In state of Florida, it doesn't work like that.
How am I arrested for domestic for slapping her? For tearing up my shit. But she threw the pot at me. Did you not see the grease pot? Okay, we'll go arrest her too. Because she threw the pot at me and then I'm slapping her.
That you went and slapped her first,
she threw
and
the
then
pot.
things became more aggressive. Okay, things started getting more thrown around the house, and then you hit her again. You can't be putting your hands back on her.
Could you go get my jacket?
Yeah, we can get it.
So now I got to fight with Section 8. And hold on, and let me go up here and let me go up there. Wait, hold on. I want to go upstairs. Excuse me. I want to go upstairs, collect my keys from her, because while I'm in jail, she cannot be in my apartment. Could we please just, I would be respectful. I just want my jacket and to get my keys from them.
We'll grab you a jacket. We'll grab you a jacket.
My jacket is in my bedroom on a chair. But I want my keys from them. I don't want them inside my place while I'm in jail. I do not.
Listen,
could we please walk up there, because I know what keys look like.
So currently she is just visiting.
Just visiting. She don't fucking live with me.
Okay. All right.
So may I please get my keys? May I get
that
my
one's
jacket
mine.
and my
This is hers.
keys?
No, you're there.
And my cell phone.
Yes.
Could I get the jacket?
Where's?
And tell her to get both my keys. I don't want them inside my house while I'm in jail.
I will go in there.
At all.
I'm going to have a discussion with her. She's only visiting, so she needs to leave the premises. Okay. I will go get your jacket. I will go get your jacket. I will go get your keys, and I will go get your cell phone.
I need my keys. The keys that they have. That they have as well.
Okay.
Yeah. Because I don't want them in there while I'm in jail.
All right.
And this is so fucked up, bruh. This girl here can't get shit else up out of me, bruh. Not a fucking thing, bruh.
Go ahead.
Shit she can get from me ever fucking again, bruh.
Oh, you need a searcher.
That's what I think. I have all my I get it. I appreciate that. Just, sorry.
Do you
wanna?
I just really would politely please walk me up there so I can make sure I get my keys. I'm not finna lie on the
We're gonna
bed.
handle it for you.
Y'all don't understand. You don't know which keys there is. I need to get my keys from them. I don't want them in my apartment while I'm in jail. Period. You put me in jail and then you think you're gonna lounge in my shit? Please walk me up there so I can to make sure I get my keys from them.
What are your keys?
ASAP. Her key is looking like I'll give all my daughters keys, and one of them Begley got keys too. She is a lightning bolt, looking like colorful lightning bolt on it. No, the whole key, the key itself.
Okay.
Looks like a lightning bolt, and then his is I think plain, might be gray or something, because they're working and I be having my own business, so I get them keys and tell them to, they don't have to wait till I get it.
My next question to you is, do you want to leave your I don't have it.
Oh yeah.
You want to leave it here?
We don't want to take it to
This
jail.
is just really pissing me the
Let's
fuck
just
off,
get this
bruh.
off. Hang on. Less to bring to the jail, okay?
I want her out now. Can we please walk up there to make sure I lock my door before I leave? I want to lock my door before I leave.
We will make sure your stuff is secure. Okay.
I don't want them with a key. They cannot be in there while I'm in jail. I be down. Because I don't have bum money and don't know how long I'm
Is it
fucking sit.
is it alright if I just put this on the kitchen table for you?
You can throw them away.
No, we're not.
No, I'm not gonna throw your property away.
No. They faking their dirt already.
No,
I'm
you're
serious.
fine.
You
We're
can
putting
just
them on
drop
your
my
table,
head.
girl.
No, you can throw
You
them
can
out.
clean them out
They're
later. We
cheap.
can't throw them out.
No, they was only like $2, $3.
Well, I'm gonna put
It doesn't matter.
She's got another one up here on
At
this
the
side.
top. She can't get no help from me. This bitch gonna feel this shit, bro. She really gonna feel this shit. Nothing but the newborn, bro. She really gonna feel this shit, bro. I'm gonna make her ass feel every bit of what this girl got. Could we please walk up there so I can make sure I lock my crib? Cause I do not want them.
I promise
I
you
want to make
we're
sure
gonna lock
they're
up.
giving you the keys that they
I
have.
got you.
I'm not worried about my
We'll bring
keys.
them back
bro.
down to you and ask you,
And let me
okay?
see 'em.
Here, I'll take
I
this.
want every fucking key. They're not gonna be sitting there enjoying my fucking shit while I'm in jail.
All right, listen. Phone, jacket, keys. All right.
Those are my personal keys, and I'm not even all of them.
What other keys
What
are
other
you
keys
missing?
do you need?
The keys that they have. Hers is a lighter.
Okay,
but
so-
those, I'm sorry,
okay.
this was
Listen.
But was it a lighter on there?
Yeah, I took it off.
You took
You
okay.
can't take it later. So listen.
I know.
Listen.
Okay.
She's saying one thing about residency. You're saying another thing. She's saying that she gets mail and she helps pay certain bills. At this point, we can't establish if she's
Why
got
is
residency.
she not getting arrested too for
Because
throwing and tearing up my shit in my house?
She can. That
She
is
can't tear up my shit in my house
listen,
and
that's
just
a
get away
civil
with
matter.
it.
That's a civil matter. So at that point in time, if she starts throwing stuff, you immediately call us. Don't put your hands on her. All right, because that's why you're getting arrested for domestic battery, is because you went and put your hands on her, and on top of that, she's pregnant. All right, so you can't be doing stuff like that. She starts tearing stuff up, you call us, and we'll come and we'll try to help you handle it. All right, but
I
at
want
that
them out of my apartment.
Okay, we'll talk about
it's
when
a
we get
civil
to
matter. It's a civil matter on that end.
No,
All right.
Sorry, I'm losing
You're
my
good.
patience
You're
for
good.
arguments.
You're good. I was able to get Mom calmed down the last time. So you going back here?
My brother, she don't live with me.
Okay, but you have to take care of that when you get out.
Why do she
And have her evicted. Have her evicted. Go through the eviction process and have her evicted.
Do you believe the arrest was the right decision? Or should this case have been handled differently given the family dynamic? Share your opinion in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Bodycam Reality for more real-life cases.